Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, June 23rd. An area of steady rain with embedded thunderstorms pushed across northern Maryland, northern Virginia, the D.C. metro region early this morning. It is now already pushing to the south and east of the D.C. metro region. Just some occasional shower activity north of the Mason-Dixon line, just like on Tuesday with that cold frontal system. Most of the action with today's system is south of the Pennsylvania-Maryland border. And again, the steadiest, heaviest rain is just now already winding down across the D.C. metro region. There can be scattered showers this afternoon and maybe an embedded thunderstorm or two. We'll have to watch for any possible redevelopment later today. The steadiest, heaviest rainfall is ending already right now south of the Pennsylvania-Maryland border. Here is the latest radar loop. And again, quite an area of rainfall moved across West Virginia, northern Maryland, northern Virginia, D.C. metro region, now into the Delmarva Peninsula. Just occasional shower activity north of the Pennsylvania-Maryland border. All of this continues to move quickly to the south and east. There can be some redevelopment, and we'll watch for that possibility for this afternoon. All of this activity gets out of here in the overnight hours. Cannot completely rule out a shower or thunderstorm on Friday, but the weekend is looking nice. It looks like back-to-back nice weekends for the I-95 corridor. Well, here's a look at the current surface map, and this is the reason why we cannot completely rule out some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. We'll have to watch for any possible redevelopment of thunderstorms. Warm frontal system lies right across the mid-Atlantic region. This low pressure area will ride right along this frontal boundary zone over the next 12 hours or so. The steadiest, heaviest rainfall is now winding down south of the Pennsylvania-Maryland border. But again, there can be some scattered midday and afternoon showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two. Looks like the best threat for severe weather will stay south of Washington across central and southern Virginia, maybe into the Carolinas, but the chance for severe weather is quite limited from D.C. north to Pennsylvania and New York. And north of the Mason-Dixon line, this will not turn into a significant rain event at all. It looks like just under a quarter inch in most areas north of the Pennsylvania-Maryland border from this particular system. Well, let's walk through a few forecast maps using last night's 0Z GFS model run. These maps come from tropicaltidbits.com website. This is the forecast map for right now, early this morning, Thursday morning. Again, low pressure here situated over Ohio. Steadiest, heaviest rain from southwestern Pennsylvania to south of the Mason-Dixon line, basically in this region like this. Not significant rainfall across Philadelphia or very little, if any, right now across the New York City metro region. Similar pattern to what happened on Tuesday. Most of the heaviest, steadiest rainfall on Tuesday fell south of the Pennsylvania-Maryland border, northern Maryland, northern Virginia, and the D.C. metro region. Let's now jump ahead 6 hours. Well, here's the forecast map for early this afternoon from last night's GFS model run. That Ohio Valley low pressure area will trek basically along that frontal boundary zone eastward across southern Pennsylvania. Certainly cannot rule out some scattered showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two from the midday to the afternoon hours. Again, the steadiest, heaviest rainfall is now pushing south and east of the D.C. metro region. Can't even be a strong thunderstorm in here, but the greatest chance for severe thunderstorm activity will be south of the D.C.-Philly corridor in places like southern Virginia and North Carolina. Let's now jump ahead another 6 hours. And here's the forecast map for early tonight, early Thursday evening. That low pressure drops south and east at this time over the Delmarva Peninsula. Still some shower activity depicted here by last night's GFS in the D.C., Philly, New York City corridor. Again, the steadiest, heaviest rainfall is pushing out of the region right now, but there can be some scattered showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two during the midday, afternoon, and right into the early part of the evening. All that gets out of here in the overnight hours. Some clearing late tonight, maybe some patchy fog. Cannot completely rule out a shower or thunderstorm on Friday. generally improving conditions on Friday, and right now the weekend is looking quite nice, quite pleasantly warm with high temperatures well up in the 80s on Saturday and Sunday with plenty of sunshine both weekend days. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul